Hello, everyone! In today's quiz, we're diving into phrasal verbs with the verb fall. Get ready to fall into learning and see how many of these 12 questions you can get right. Let's get started. Question 1. The correct answer, fell through. If a plan or agreement falls through, it does not happen. Question 2. The correct answer, fall apart. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall apart means to break. Question 3. The correct answer, fell away. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall away means to decrease gradually. Question 4. The correct answer, fall in. If soldiers fall in, they form lines. Question 5. The correct answer, fell out. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall out means to have an argument with somebody so that you are no longer friendly with them. Question 6. The correct answer, fall behind. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall behind means to fail to keep level with somebody or something. Question 7. The correct answer, fall back. If an army falls back during a battle or war, it moves away from enemy forces in order to avoid fighting them. Question 8. The correct answer is fall for. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall for means to fall in love with somebody. Question 9. The correct answer, fallen off. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall off means to decrease in quantity or quality. Question 10. The correct answer, fell to. If a duty or job falls to someone, they are responsible for doing it, especially when this is difficult or unpleasant. Question 11. The correct answer, fall for. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall for means to be tricked into believing something that is not true. Question 12. The correct answer, fell on. In this sentence, the phrasal verb fall on means to eagerly start eating or using something. How many questions did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you did. Remember, mastering phrasal verbs is essential for sounding natural in English and understanding everyday conversations. Keep practicing and exploring these expressions to enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.